how to open a Shopify Partner account. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Shopify Partner account. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open the browser and head over to the Shopify Partners website. You can either search Shopify Partners on Google or directly go to shopify.com/partners. Once you're on the page, you'll see a breakdown of all the benefits of becoming a partner, whether you're a developer, designer, marketer, or someone who wants to refer clients to Shopify. Take a moment to scroll through and see what's offered. When you're ready to jump in, click the Become a Partner button. It's usually pretty easy to spot and will take you right into the sign-up flow. Now, you'll be asked to create an account. The easiest and quickest way to do this is by signing up with Google. Click the Continue with Google option, and a list of your logged-in Google accounts will pop up. Just select the one you want to associate with your Shopify Partner account. If you're not logged in yet, it'll ask for your Google credentials. Once you select your Google account, Shopify will start asking you a few questions. These are super simple. They just want to understand why you're joining as a partner. Choose the options that best match what you plan to do, whether it's building apps, themes, or managing stores for clients. After that, keep clicking Next through the prompts. Shopify's setup process is really user-friendly. Eventually, you'll land on a form asking for your personal or business details like your name, email address, and other relevant info. Make sure everything you enter here is accurate and up to date, because this is what Shopify will use to communicate with you. Once you've filled in everything, click the Submit button. And that's it. You're now officially a Shopify partner. Now you can explore the partner dashboard, where you'll have access to development stores, app and theme management tools, affiliate referral links, and educational resources to help you grow. If you found this helpful, give it a like or drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.